Hello everyone, I am Dr. G.L. Karthik, Assistant Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. We are actually now discussing about the architectures of convolutional neural network. We saw architectures like LayNet, AlexNet, VGG, some of the architectures, right? Now we will come to next type of architecture. It is Inception Net architecture. It is a convolutional neural network architecture that Google developed to improve upon the performance of previous CNNs on the ImageNet large-scale visual recognition challenge benchmark. It uses inception modules that apply a combination of 1 into 1, 3 into 3 and 5 into 5 convolutions on the input data and utilizes auxiliary classifiers to improve performance of the algorithm. Then Inception Net won 2014 this challenge ILSVRC competition and has been used in various applications including image classification, object detection and image segmentation. So this algorithm or this architecture has won prize in the competition. So this is the Inception Net architecture. So what is the first box we are having? Filter, concatenation. Concatenation. Then from the previous layer, 1 into 1 matrix convolution is done and then it is sent, output is sent to filter concatenation. Then we can see multiple convolutions are being done. 3 into 3 convolution is done, 5 into 5 convolution, 1 into 1 convolution. Then there is also 3 into 3 max pooling process is taking place. We all know what is max pooling, right? From the pixel values of the output matrix, we select the pixel value which is higher. That will be the output. So that is also being done here. Parallel convolutions are taking place right from 1 into 1 convolution, 3 into 3 convolution, 5 into 5 convolution is happening in this Inception Net architecture. So these are the different architectures that we have discussed. We'll just have a recap on all the architectures that we discussed. We started with Net 5, in which two convolution layers are there, then subsampling layer, fully connection layers are there. Then we saw about AlexNet, which has 5 convolution layers, if I am not wrong. Yes, 5 convolution layer. Then max pooling is done here. Then we have 4 fully connected layers, feature map. Then we can see different kernel windows are being used here. And what is the activation function? Relive activation function is used. Then we saw about VGG net architecture. Okay. So in VGG net, it takes the input in the form of RGB or the color image, and it starts with 224 into 224 pixel image. Then convolution is done, multiple convolutions are done, max pooling process is done to select the pixel from the output matrix. Then we confine to a single matrix. That is what is the value that we require or the feature that we require. Okay. Then we saw about Inception Net. Inception Net is the CNN architecture developed by Google, and it used the combination of 1 into 1, 3 into 3, 5 into 5 convolutions on the input data. This is the architecture that we saw here. The parallel convolution is done. 1 into 1 convolution, 3 into 3 convolution, 5 into 5 convolution, max pooling, everything is done in parallel, and then it is given to the filter concatenation for the filtration process. So these are some of the architectures in convolutional neural network. So when we summarize in CNN architecture, we can see convolution processes taking place. In some architectures, multiple convolution taking place. Then max pooling process is done. Fully connected layers are there. Right? When more and more convolutions are done, then we can see more and more efficiency also. Thank you all. We will see in the next video.